Raj Chaube, and today we'll be intercepting with the dorm tree at night. And as you can see on the bottom left, there's the comment of the day. And so let's start with the night intercept. Let's go. Here's the Dominator tree ready for intercept. The tornado is here at Barakar, so we'll be deploying the Dominator tree and be ready for the intercept. So here we are near the Dominator tree. We are ready for intercept, and in the maps it shows that the tornado is gonna do a side winds. It will be forming there. So, oh wait, I can see the tornado coming. So it's time. Let's get into the vehicle. Oh shit! The tornado is violent. Oh shit! Our system says it's an EF5. Oh shit! The tornado is violent, and there will be 5 more tornadoes. This is the first one. Man, thankfully we survived that tornado. So let's move forward. We are in the radius again. There are actually 5 tornadoes. So this is an open field. So there's no houses or things. So there will be no deaths. So just let's move forward. This is our drone camera. As you can see, we are moving forward with the Dominator tree ready. Already the miniature Dominator tree. As we are moving, we are turning and we are moving to Kulti for another intercept. So there we go, off to Kulti. So looks like we have arrived into Kulti for the intercept. So as you can see, so let's just sit here as the map shows. The same tornado is going to travel here, and on this area. And if there's any change in the route of the tornado, we'll just change our way. So let's land our drone. Okay, so this is the Dominator tree, the upper shoe. Oh wait, I could see the tornado approaching here. So let's just, I guess, land our drone, put it into a car, and just start intercepting. Let's start our computers and start intercepting. So let's go. Shit, the storm's going violent. Oh shit, the storm is violent. Oh my god, it's an EF5. Shit, it's an EF5. As you can see, the Dominator tree is still standing there, and we are safe in the car.
This clip was corrupted, so there is a black box here. So you can tell we are going to Namatpur.
For this time, we are on the highway, as you can see. So the tornado is approaching. This time it's not the same tornado. It's an EF1, so there will be no violent shakes, and the highway is still safe. So let's start. Oh wait. Yeah, the F1 has come. Oh shit, there's just a little shake. Haha. This car can survive an F1 in pride, bro. This is a Dominator tree built by Reed Timmer, and This is the miniature version, so that's why I'm shooting it on my rooftop, and that's why I could not get into it. So this is a miniature cardboard version. As you can see in the title, it was a cardboard. So the tornado has ended. So, oh wait, another tornado. Oh shit, it's an EF5 now. Oh wait, yeah. Oh shit, it's violently shaking. It's violently shaking the highway, bro. The pole, oh shit, the pole lights flying. Oh, everything's turned off. It's dark now. There's only one pole light handling on, and that will be soon turned off. So, man, that pole light is built like a Nokia. So, that's all for today. And let's just why not tell you about the Dominator tree. As I told you, it was built by Reed Timmer and meteorologist of USA, well-known storm chaser, and it is built of a Ford 350. And yeah, it is built of a Ford 350 truck, which was heavily modified, and this car lowers, as you know. So let's just undeploy it. So it is undeployed, and it is a great vehicle. It goes around 75 to 80 miles per hour, and it's a tornado tank. Yeah, so that's I have all got to say today. And the intercepting at night was amazing. I loved it. It was amazing. I enjoyed it. And so let's just return this vehicle to Reed Timmer. And that's for today. Bye. See you, fam.